Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, in the measurement of solute concentrations, the next important is we have osmole. Okay, what is this osmole? Osmole is 1 osmole is equal to the 1 mole of a substance and number of freely moving particles in a solution. So 1 mole divided by 1 number of freely moving particles. So this is a solution. In this solution, the number of freely moving particles, if you divide it with mole, we get osmole. So 1 osmole is actually equal to the 1 mole of the substance by number of moving particles which are liberated in the solution. So 1 osmole is equal to the 1 mole of substance, that is uh, sorry 1 osmole is equal to the 1 mole of substance by number of freely moving particles in the solution. So this is expressed as osmoles. So 1 milliosmole is equal to 1 by 1000 of osmole. So what does this mean? So here actually in 1 mole of sodium chloride, if you see 1 mole of sodium chloride, okay, so in the 1 mole of sodium chloride, how many osmoles are there? Osmole is equal to 1 mole of sodium chloride divided by number of freely moving particles in the solution, right? 1 by 2, okay, so there are two number of freely moving particles in a solution. There are two freely moving particles, one is sodium, one is chloride. So here 1 mole, so this is 1 mole by 2 is equal to osmole. So you can derive it as 1 mole of sodium chloride is equal to this 2. If you send it to the right left hand side, so this 2 will become multiplies the osmole, so it is 2 times the osmole. So 1 mole of sodium chloride is 2 osmoles of sodium chloride. It is similar for any other solution. So if you see similarly 1 mole of calcium chloride, if you see here how many particles are formed, 1 calcium and 2 chlorides, so total 3 particles. So there is 3 osmoles of of calcium chloride will be seen in the solution.
thank you and thank you for watching.